There's a hidden code in iOS 26 in the menus that allow you to find out if a phone, an iPhone specifically, is carrier locked. I'll show you how to do this. First, let's go into the settings, scroll down to General, tap on About, scroll all the way down, and we see Physical SIM. We see the network I'm on, the carrier I'm on, and a bunch of different codes. This code right here, the IMEI, is the one we can use to find out if we're locked to this carrier that's shown here. To do this, just copy this code, go to Safari, go to Google, search for IMEI check. The one I use is this one right here, imeicheck.com. There's a bunch of others. Mine's at the top. It might not be for you, but there's a bunch of others. I find that they give you some stuff for free on the other ones, but not all the stuff that you want, including the carrier lock. They make you pay for that. Whereas IMEI Check gives it to you for free. So I'm going to click on this. They are ad supported, so you see a bunch of ads. It's like a full screen of ads right now here. So I'm going to tap on this down arrow to collapse that one. I'm going to ignore this one. Scroll down to IMEI Check. Tap on this field. Tap on it again. And then paste in that number. There are two spaces here. There's one right there, one right there. And we're missing the last two digits because of those two spaces. So we'll have to remove these spaces first. I don't know why I couldn't just copy without spaces. That seems like it'd be so much easier. Remove the spaces, tap back to the end, find out what the two missing digits are. In my case, 6 and 7. Close this ad. Tap right there and then type 6, 7, and then check IMEI. And in under 30 seconds, we'll see if this phone is locked to those carriers that we saw in the settings. And here it shows for me, SIM lock is unlocked. That means we're not locked to that carrier. We can take this phone and move to any carrier that we want, any carrier that gives us the best Black Friday deal, for example. Or if you buy a new phone, you're going to want to do this check to make sure that you can take this phone to the carrier of your choice. Or if it is locked to a carrier, you can confirm that it's the one that you want to use, which would be okay. The next up, check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash on your phone. There's a whole bunch of trash cans that you probably don't even know about. So check out that video, empty them all, and reclaim space on your phone. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.